Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have you ever imagined playing Brawl Stars with a guitar? In 2025, a groundbreaking method emerges, merging your passion for the game with musical artistry. This isn't about traditional controls, it is about translating the game's energy into incredible sound. Get ready to experience your favorite brawlers and battlegrounds in a completely new, deeply personal way. The core concept behind playing Brawl Stars on guitar is truly innovative. You will interpret live game events, from character selections to epic victories, into real-time musical compositions. Specialized software acts as your co-pilot, analyzing gameplay and providing dynamic musical cues and thematic elements. This process guides your improvisation, allowing you to compose a unique soundtrack that perfectly captures the intensity and emotion of every single match you play. To embark on this unique musical journey, you need specific gear in your arsenal. First, acquire a high-quality MIDI guitar controller. It allows precise digital input. An indispensable tool is a powerful digital audio workstation, or DAW, such as Ableton Live, to manage your sounds. Finally, invest in specific virtual instruments and custom sound packs, which are crucial for replicating those iconic Brawl Stars themes and effects with authentic flair. Mastering this technique involves both musical skill and game understanding. Start by deeply studying the Brawl Stars character themes and their distinct battle music patterns. Practice translating specific in-game actions, like character movement or skill usage, into unique musical phrases on your guitar. Developing a strong sense of rhythm and improvisation is key, allowing you to react fluidly and harmoniously to every change and challenge presented during gameplay. This exclusive method offers an unparalleled avenue for creative expression, truly making the game your own. Your musical interpretations will resonate with fellow fans and impress listeners, showcasing a new level of dedication. Join a growing community of pioneering musician gamers who are exploring this innovative art form. Become recognized as one of the few who truly master this 2025 exclusive method, shaping the future of interactive entertainment and music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.